from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the VANS COMFYCUSH SK8-LOWs. Before we get into this review, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today, we've got to look at the VANS COMFYCUSH SK8-LOW in the black and white colorway. We've got this in the UK size 7.5, European 41, and this US men's 8.5. So, let me get this out. So here they are. They look like your classic. Well, it's essentially the SK8-LOW with VANS is called the old school. So essentially, it is an old school, but you can see the skate high vibes. I will get into that details when we show you the sneaker around. But we're going to start with the outsole. Before we get into the review though, I just want to mention that we have done some COMFYCUSH reviews. So check those out. They're VANS, obviously, because VANS are the brand that does the COMFYCUSH. And we'll start with this outsole. So this outsole essentially is a typical VANS waffle outsole. You can see all of it around. However, if you look closely, you can see there's essentially it's foam, and that's the COMFYCUSH right there. And the midsole unit, so this midsole was traditionally it's going to be a rubber cup sole unit, but again you've got that COMFYCUSH technology found in the middle, which is a foam that you can find and is there for your cushioning. Obviously, you know, VANS is a skate brand. You're going to be hitting the ground a lot if you're skating in these, and this is just there to soften the blow and essentially make a more cushioned ride for when you're skating. Even walking, I mean, loads of people are going to walk in their VANS anyway. The upper, so this upper is made out of an array of materials. So you've got some parts leather, some parts canvas, and you've got suede. So if you look at the front, essentially the toe box of the sneaker, you can see why it's called the SK8-LOW. So if you look at the patterning, the stitching, that is the SK8-LOW patterning, skate high patterning, sorry. There's the traditional OG classic from VANS. If this was the old school will have essentially a toe cap, if that makes any sense. You'll see it there. The tongue, again, you got a suede tongue, VANS off the wall label that's stitched on, flat laces. What you know about flat laces, you can pretty much customize them with any laces you want. The paneling, so that's the canvas part. If you look to the side, that's on the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker. It's canvas, but that leather part I mentioned is found there on that iconic strip from VANS. The back, so you got a suede paneling there, and you got the VANS logo. That's always going to be there. Like, listen, it's iconic. If you've got a pair of VANS, you know about the VANS off the wall on the back there for you. So the insole, if you look inside, it's that COMFYCUSH insole. It's foam, and we've done it before, you know. I know they're going to be comfy. I can, you know, make any bet that these are going to be comfy as well. And you got the VANS COMFYCUSH logo there. Padded ankle area, because obviously this was built for skating. So, you know, you got that protection, you got that comfort for your ankles as well. All that said and done, if I didn't know any better, I'd think that this was a pair of old schools. Look to the side. But unfortunately I know better, and I know that stitching is skate. Really excited to try these on. So roll that footage of me trying these COMFYCUSH SK8-LOWs on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit for Vans. Well, these Vans specifically. I'm a 7.5. They fit perfect. Toes are where they need to be. It's very comfy because well, the sole unit and the comfy cush. And for those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Dickies 874 work trousers, work pants. And well, these go with Vans because, you know, skaters wear this. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on the Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.